how to customize Finder icon preview settings on macOS. If you want to change how file previews appear in Finder, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open Finder on your Mac. Next, open the folder where you want to customize the icon previews. Now, click View in the menu bar and select Show View Options, or press Command+J on your keyboard. In the View Options window, check or uncheck Show Icon Preview to enable or disable thumbnail previews for your files. You can also use the icon size slider to make the file icons larger or smaller, making the previews easier to see. If you want these settings to apply to all folders using the same view, click Use as Defaults at the bottom of the View Options window, if the option is available. Once you're finished, close the View Options window. Finder will automatically save your changes. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Mac tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.